Hi guys, I'm Haska with WTI and I'm a chocolate lover. I don't want to like chocolate, but anything made of chocolate or chocolate chips. And this product right here combines two of my favorite desserts, chocolate and chocolate chip cookies.
This is the Milka Chips Ahoy chocolate. This one's so creamy and it tastes really, really good. It's made with Alpine milk chocolate, and since it's a European chocolate brand, it's even more delicious than any other ones that I have tried.
I am in love with it. It's so delicious. And this takes me back to when I was a child. I would take chocolate chip cookies with a bottle of milk to school for my snack. So this chocolate right here actually tastes amazing. It's a great combination of two amazing things and I'm in love. So if you guys like these two products that you can see here, Chips Ahoy, which brings back so many memories because I would buy them all the time. Plus the Milka chocolate that never gets old. I think you should try this chocolate. It's so good. You won't regret getting it. And that's my point of view.